Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we explore the latest developments in technology. Today, we'll be talking about the top 5 AI technologies to look out for in 2023.
Today, we'll be talking about the top 5 AI technologies to look out for in 2023. Generative AI. This technology uses deep learning algorithms to create new content such as images, videos, or even websites without human input. It's being used in the entertainment industry for creating realistic special effects and in marketing for generating personalized content for customers. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a subfield of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This technology is being used in chatbots, virtual assistants, and other applications that require interaction with humans. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles are becoming more advanced and widespread. AI plays a critical role in enabling these vehicles to navigate safely and make decisions on their own. Predictive analytics. AI-powered predictive analytics uses machine learning algorithms to analyze large amounts of data and predict future outcomes. This technology is being used in a wide range of industries, including finance, healthcare, and retail. Augmented reality. Augmented reality, AR, uses AI to overlay digital information onto the real world, creating an immersive and interactive experience. AR technology is being used in industries such as entertainment, education, and retail. It's amazing to see how AI is transforming so many different industries, making them more efficient and effective. We can expect to see more innovative applications of these technologies in the years to come. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it informative and interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech-related content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.